Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have a big box to open for you guys, and it's long but it's not very deep. But I have two of these boxes and I was actually going to sit in front of the camera and open them up because they're so big. But I figured, well, there's stuff in here that I need to get out because they're, like I always say, it's Christmas presents and I need to get them open up and start sorting them out and stuff like that. So I will open this one. Maybe the next one I will sit in front of the camera and open that one. We'll see how it goes. If it's too uncomfortable opening a box this size sitting behind the camera, then I'll have to just do it a different way the next time or whatever. So we will just jump right into this video. It's pretty dark. Well, it's not really dark, but it looks like 6 o'clock, but it's actually only 4 o'clock here. So I don't know, my lighting is probably going to be very crappy, but we'll just have to try and see how this works. So I went ahead and opened it off camera, and there's a few things in here. Some are wrapped, which I'm gonna open off camera because I have a feeling it's gonna be more candles because I ordered a lot of candles to give out as gifts this year. So I have a feeling that's what's in there. And yeah, so this box is pretty heavy. The other big one is not as heavy as this one, but I'm not sure how many items will be in that box as well. So in this box, we've got about 5 items. So I'm just gonna go ahead and maybe open up the wrap ones first. So guys, I moved you over to the counter in the kitchen because it was a little bit too dark there. The kitchen light is much brighter. I did have a light on in the living room, but it wasn't helping. So I've started opening one of the wrapped items and it's smelling really good, so I can tell right away it's a candle. So it's a 3-wick candle, and this one is the white tea, and I don't know, do you say apricot? So this is what it looks like, and it smells really good, really good. I was gonna give this as a gift, but I'm not too sure about that now. After smelling it, it smells really good. Okay guys, so this is the other candle, and this one is called Warm Pumpkin Cookie by the same brand. And let's just see how this one smells. Smells good too. It's 3 wicks like the other one, and I was just thinking that maybe I can wrap them in the same paper that they come in if I'm gonna give them out as gifts. Would be pretty nice to do that, and it doesn't get broken as easily. So that was the second candle, and this is the third candle, and this one is Pumpkin Cupcake, and this has Goose Creek written on the lid, unlike the other ones that have Elixir. So I'm not sure, maybe it's the same company, but this is also 3 wicks. Smells really nice as well. My favorite is the first one that I showed you. Really nice scent. So that's the 3 candles, and I have 2 more items in that box to open up. This here is called the Hot Cocoa Served Hair Block Sign. And this is what it looks like. I was going to give this away as a gift as well because I know people like to decorate with this kind of stuff. And it's just pretty simple, nothing fancy to it. You can just stand it up on your fireplace, on the side of it, or on a shelf somewhere, maybe even on top of your kitchen cabinets, or whatever you want to do with it. But I love the distressed look of it. And there was actually another one that I wanted to get, but I didn't see them bring it back, so I'm not sure if I'm even gonna get it, because you know, if you wait too late to order stuff, they might not come in time for Christmas. So, you know, you have to be careful now with when you order stuff. So this is what that looks like. And then the last item, which is pretty heavy, is going to be a mug set. Okay guys, so this is a Christmas mug set. I didn't want to take it out of the box because, you know, I don't want to wreck the box if I'm going to give it out as a gift. But I wanted to show you guys. There's 4 mugs in here. They're different colors. They have different writing on it. This says warm and cozy. And then the other red one says comfort and joy. Then there's merry and bright. And then the last one says naughty and nice. And then it comes with this thing to hold the mugs in place, and I really like that because it's good for like you can use a different one every day, and then you can just stack them up in this thing that it comes with. That is pretty nice as well. So I really like that. It's a nice gift idea. And let's just see if I can lift it up. I gotta be really careful. That's how the bottom looks. But I thought that would make a really nice gift because I like having Christmas mugs for myself, and I'm sure that people like to have those as well. I watch the Christmas movies and I see people drinking out of these really cute mugs, and I saw these and I was like, oh, that's such a good price. That would make a really cute gift. And like I said, if you've got a big family, you can split it up between family. You can even do like fill a mug with some stuff in there, little goodies like little candies or whatever, you know. And there's so many different things you can do with that. So I just thought that would be a cute gift idea. So I'm not disappointed. They feel like a good quality. They're heavy. They kind of look like a little bit distressed, but that's okay. They almost look like they're enamel, but they're not. And I really like that because it suits where we live too. So, I mean, and the people that I'm buying for, it's people that are out here at the lake. So it will really suit them a lot. So, yeah, I just thought I would take it out of the box and show you guys. And I'm glad I didn't rip the box. So that's a really nice gift. So that was all that was in that box, guys. 5 items. I'm in love with those candles. I think I might keep one for myself. The other 2 I might just give away. And there's more candles coming. I originally bought them with people in mind, but then I end up keeping some of them for myself. There was one candle that got canceled by Zulily, so I won't be getting that one. That one was more of a spring scent. I mean, I can give out spring stuff as well. It doesn't have to be Christmas themed or winter, but I just thought with being Christmas time, you know, it might more suit the season better if you give like those kind of candles and stuff like that. But you don't have to. It's all up to you and what you decide to do. So that was my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm hoping that I can sit in front of the camera to open the other box. Now I'm getting more excited because I'm thinking the other candles are in that big box, but we'll have to wait and see. But thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye guys.